One second. You good. I know, Miss Sandy, 1 second, okay?
Oh, no problem, Judge. I'm here.
The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no eating or drinking, no talking, no sleeping or laying down, no smoking, no gum chewing, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your devices on mute until you're addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. All right. Miss Sandy, can you hear me? Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Abdi Zamil. This is a Z ticket, nope. Ticket number SP 126105141. This is one count of improperly displayed, dirty, or obscure plates. Today is the date and time set for a formal hearing. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this court. Attorney Ben Warbling, P64889 on behalf of Mr. Zamel.
And is your client present today?
He's not, Judge. We'd ask humbly and respectfully that the court waive his appearance. He's given me full authority to act on his behalf.
All right. And since you have authority to act on his behalf, the court will accept that today. Sir, it is now 10:01 a.m. Do you have a motion for the court?
Yes, Judge. I don't believe the issuing officer has signed in or checked in any way, shape, or form. And given that time, Your Honor, we move to dismiss for those reasons.
All right, the time is now 10:02 a.m. This matter was scheduled on the docket for 9 a.m. formal hearing. Having no officer checked in, the court is going to dismiss this matter without prejudice at this time.
Thank you very much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You do the same, Judge.
Thank you.
Thank you. Judge, are we off the record? I apologize.
We are. You're all set. I'm sorry. That concludes this hearing. You're all set.
Thank you, Judge. I had a quick question for you. I didn't mean to bug Miss Edwards.
Mr. Wordley, if you move off the record, we're still on YouTube.
Oh, it's on YouTube. Okay.
If it matters, just so you know.
Thank you so much. Maybe I'll just check in and ask another time.
You want to call? She's sitting right here.
Yeah, what was the best number? I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. 313-965-2293.
Thank you so much. And thanks, Sandy. And have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Yeah, I didn't know if it was confidential or not.
I understand.
Hi, Judge, we're ready.
Excellent, thank you.
Judge, I did send a text to Mr. Gillis. I don't know how many points is drag racing.
Oh, I was just about to respond. So that's gonna be 4 points, whereas the reckless carries 6 and a 90-day
Right.
suspension.
I did know that. Give me 1 second, Judge. I'm gonna tell him that.
Oh,
Please.
absolutely.
I'll be right back.
Attorney Triplet, let me know.
Hi, John.
How you doing today?
There you go. Talk to her.
I'm doing,
Miss Andy, how you doing?
I'm doing well, John. Thanks. How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Good.
That one actually is not changed.
Question on any officers here? Valerie Kennedy? No office, and Coleman on Caleb Williams. So I think those are no PL tickets, Your Honor.
Yep, I already looked at it and saw, so I got you.
Great. We're ready to go, Judge.
I have to do that. Okay.
That would be for Caleb Williams and Deshaun Wells. No POs.
Yep. Everyone can leave themselves on mute until I call your matter. I would greatly appreciate it. When I call your name, you can unmute yourself. Make sure that your camera is level, meaning that I can see your face when it's your time for it. Make sure that you are appropriately closed for court this morning. And so that we will be able to see you, as well as YouTube Live will be able to see you, as this is an open courtroom. Okay, so I want everybody to keep mindful of that. Please stay stationary. You can cut off your camera until your case is called, so that you don't have to stay stationary. But once you are on this record, if your camera is showing, please keep that in mind, okay? Deshaun Wells,
Yes, I'm here.
I see Miss Sandy is ready as well. Now calling the matter of the people versus Deshaun Wells. This is ticket number 355-810, one count of reckless driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Wells. Mr. Wells, state your name for the record, please, for the court.
Jay Sean Wells.
Your Honor, Officer Valerie Kennedy has not shown up. We'd be asking for a dismissal. The time is 10:18 a.m.
The time is now 10:18 a.m. This matter was scheduled for 9 a.m. No officer has checked in on this matter, so the court is going to dismiss it without prejudice. What that means, sir, is that they have the right to refile this if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
I will, thank you. Caleb Williams,
Yeah, I'm here. How you doing?
I'm fine, and yourself?
I'm doing good.
Okay. Now calling the matters of the people versus Caleb Williams. This is ticket number 733987. No operators permit on person. Also calling ticket number 733988. One count disregard red signal. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Caleb Williams. Mr. Williams, please state your name for the record.
Caleb Williams.
Your Honor, no officer, Officer Coleman has not appeared. The time is 10:19 a.m. We requested a dismissal.
All right. This time it is 10:19 a.m. No officer has appeared on this matter. The court is going to dismiss. Oh, what happened to Mr. Williams? Mr. Williams, I don't know if you heard me, but I asked that the cameras remain level at this point in time while we're having this hearing. I don't know what happened to you, but I looked up and I was seeing the ceiling. Did you
My
have something more
apologies.
important to do right now?
No, my phone fell out my hand.
Oh, okay. I just want to make sure. All right, there's no officer that appears at this time. I'm always watching. I can put you at the end of this.
It's all good.
All right. No officer has appeared at this time, so the court is going to dismiss this without prejudice, sir. What that means is that they can refile this if they would like to, but as of today, you're all set, okay?
All right, sounds good. I'm gonna get something like in the mail or something.
You are not, but what you can do is that you can either physically come down to 36th District Court and ask them to print it out for you tomorrow, or you can go online to 36thdistrictcourt.org tomorrow, and you should look up your name, and you should be able to print out that these matters were dismissed, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a good day, okay?
You too.
I will, thank you.
All right.
Mr. Walls, Timothy Walls, this is a review
Yes,
today.
I'm here.
Okay,
I'm all right.
please, sir. Now calling the matter of People versus Timothy Walls. This is U ticket 610001921. This is one count of disorderly conduct. Today is the date and time set for a review on this matter. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Regina Triplett, P number 69160, on behalf of Mr. Walls. Mr. Walls, state your name for the record, please.
Timothy Walls.
Your Honor, Mr. Walls has complied with all the conditions of this court.
All right, the only thing the court did not have, were you able to see a copy of his HIV STI test?
I
I
did
have it
not.
right here. I have it right
Okay.
here in my hand. Hold on.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Oh,
Walls.
no.
I figured he did it. I just needed somebody to be able to see it.
Can y'all see it?
Yep, I see that you went there.
Okay.
Okay, can you just tell the court what day you went?
Yesterday.
Okay, all right. Then the court is satisfied that he has complied with all the terms and conditions. I do have in my file a copy of the certificate for the completion of the class, as well as the community service that you completed for, that you were asked to complete, sir. And I believe you were supposed to pay, oh, the fine was waived. I was kind that day. All right, Mr. Walls, you're all set. I'm gonna close this matter out as completed, okay?
Yes, thank you.
You are.
No more
you are
trouble.
very welcome. Okay, Mr. Walls, you have a good day, okay?
You too. Thank you.
You're welcome. Michelle Williamson?
Yes, can you hear me?
I can. All right. Now calling the matters of the People versus Michelle Williamson. This is ticket number P 1188926. Count 1, driver's license never acquired. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number 725-906. Count 1, no operator's license acquired. Count 2, no insurance. Ticket number 725-907. One count, failed to use turn signal left turn. Count 2, travel at speed greater than reasonable. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, on behalf of Ms. Williamson. Ms. Williamson, please state your name for the record.
Michelle Williamson.
Your Honor, there's been an offer, and Ms. Williamson wishes to avail herself of it.
Is that right, Ms. Williamson?
Yes,
If so, please raise your right hand. Swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
yes,
You can put your hand down. Ms. Williamson, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today? That would be Ms. Triplett, about your case and about your rights?
yes,
And she's informing me that you want to take advantage of this offer. It's a plea of responsible. What that means is that I'm gonna actually read from the ticket to establish a factual basis and assess a fine that goes with that civil infraction, okay? Do you understand that, Ms. Williamson?
yes,
All right. Then on the day of April the 22nd of 2021, in the area of Elmhurst and Prairie Street, I think that is, in the city of Detroit, Ms. Williamson was driving a Jeep vehicle and did failed to use turn signal, and did travel at a speed greater than reasonable. Satisfied, Attorney Triplett?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court is going to enter in responsible on 2 counts amended to block 80 on both counts, okay? So those don't give you any points, ma'am, and they don't abstract to your driving record, okay? I'm going to
Okay.
dismiss the remaining 2 tickets, 725906 and ticket P1188926 as a part of this. Ms. Williamson, the fine for both of those tickets is $175 per ticket. Usually with civil infractions, you only have 14 days to pay. Is that gonna be enough time for you to come up with $350?
Yes,
You sure, ma'am?
yes,
Okay, I'm gonna have it due no later than April the 27th of 2022. And then if you have any SOS fees that need to be paid, you pay them through the court as well, okay? And then you're
Okay.
all set. Okay,
thank you.
you're welcome. All right, if there's nothing further, that concludes this hearing. Good luck to you, Ms. Williamson.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Philip Watkins?
Yes, Your Honor.
I don't have this open. Philip Watkins. Okay. Oh, it's right here. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus, Mr. Watkins, I don't know if you know, but your camera is sideways. Can you turn it to the other?
Yeah. How about,
There you
is that
go.
better? Okay.
That's much better. Thank you. All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Philip Watkins. This is ticket number P960447. This is 1 count of drove while license not valid or improper license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, on behalf of Philip Watkins. Mr. Watkins, please state your name for the record.
Philip Watkins.
Your Honor, there's a recommendation. We're asking the court to adopt it.
All right, at this time, Mr. Watkins, the recommendation is that I dismiss count 1 without prejudice because count 2 was civil infraction in which you paid. So the court is going to adopt that today and dismiss count 1. Okay, you're all set.
Appreciate you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too.
Ms. Cole, I see you're here. I'll get to you in 1 second, okay? Thank you. Ms. Lakeisha York?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna call your matter. She's up there, right? This is her off? Yes. Okay, all right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Lakeisha York. This is ticket number P1076686. Count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plate. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett, on behalf of Ms. York. Ms. York, please state your name for the record.
Lakeisha York.
Your Honor, we're asking that Ms. York's matter be scheduled for a bench trial. We stand mute, wait for a reading.
This time, the court is going to enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Ms. York, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Ms. York, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me that you want to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that how you want to move forward?
Yes.
All right. I'm going to set this matter for a bench trial on the date of September the 9th. September 9th.
Wow.
At 9 a.m. I know I have far out dates. I'm sorry.
So Ms. York, with that date, they did make a plea offer to plead a 1 count. If you want to avail yourself, and they're dismissing the other 2 counts, and we can give you time to pay.
Well, I'm under the impression that you say that ticket is $300.
Well, the judge would assess that after, but she would give you time to pay. I know you just got out of custody for a long time, and she'll give you some time to pay. Or you can put it off to September. You want to do that date.
I mean, that's what I'm gonna have to do.
Okay, September, that's fine. I just wanted to make sure, since we got the date. All right, thank you, Judge.
Can I get that date and time again, please?
1 second, I'm gonna try and see if I can move it up a little bit for you, Ms. Short.
Thank you.
Just need a little time to get herself together.
I understand. I can understand that. If she just has some issues or some difficulties. Ms. York,
Yes,
it's okay. I said you just have some issues or some difficulties. with
yes,
life?
ma'am. Yes.
So is it that you're not responsible for this or you're concerned about the fine? Which one is it?
Well, it wasn't my car. So I did try several times to contact the court because they had the wrong ID on my ticket. I mean, not ID, the wrong address. I'm sorry. So I was calling in to see when my hearing was because I would have never got the notice that they sent.
Okay.
And I see it didn't come in until December.
Sure, I'm gonna try and help you out, okay? Don't stress about this. It's traffic court, so ain't no need to be worried.
Okay.
August 5th, is that a little bit better? I brought it up a little bit.
Yes, that's fine.
Okay, August 5th. And that's gonna be at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal. And we'll see if the officers come that day, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. There's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you, Ms. Short.
And thank you.
You're welcome. Ryan went by,
Willoughby.
will be, thank you. Now calling the matter of the people versus Ryan Wilby. This is ticket number 295129. One count, no valid operator's license. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Ryan Willoughby. Mr. Willoughby, would you please state your name for the record?
Ryan Willoughby.
Your Honor, there is an offer. Mr. Willoughby wishes to avail himself of it.
All right, is that right, Mr. Wilby?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand.
I don't have my camera on.
It's okay, I still need you to raise your right hand and tell me.
Oh,
that
I'm
you're being
raising it.
honest.
I'm raising it as we speak.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking the guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward with this plea today?
Yes.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of August the 26th of 2016. Were you at that time driving a Buick vehicle in the area of Gratiot and Mack Avenue in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And was your license not valid at that time you were driving that vehicle? Driver's license?
That is correct.
All right, satisfied, Attorney Triplett?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper place, sir.
Okay.
I'm gonna assess a fine today in the amount of $200. Sir, how long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, I'll have it due no later than May 13th of 2022, okay?
Okay.
All right, there's nothing further. That concludes this hearing. Thank you.
And one thing, I go down to 36th district to pay it, right?
Yes, you can. You can come down, you can pay it online at 36district.court.org. Or, you know, those DivDat machines there in like CVS's, Myers in the city of Detroit, where you can pay other bills, city bills, you can pay it there
Okay.
too. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay, sir?
Yeah, you too, thank you.
All right, thank you. Darnell Wozniak.
Yes, Your Honor.
Now calling the matters of the people versus Darnell Wozniak. This is ticket number P10435571. Count 1, expired plate. Count 2, no receipt of or unsigned registration. Count 3, no proof of insurance. Also calling ticket number P10277724. One count drove while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, improper plates. Now, Mr. Wozniak, I told you to stop moving because now you're frozen because you're moving all around your house. Why did you get up
I
and where you
apologize.
were?
I
Your Honor,
apologize.
Regina Triplett. Oh, I'm sorry. Be
Okay, go
still,
ahead.
Mr. Wozniak. Regina Triplett on behalf of Mr. Wozniak. Mr. Wozniak, while you're standing still, please
Yes,
state your
ma'am.
name for the record.
Darnell Wozniak.
Judge, Mr. Wozniak, what are we doing today? Are you accepting the
Taking a
plea?
plea.
Right.
Yes, ma'am.
He's ready to avail himself of the offer.
Okay. All right, Mr. Wozniak, can you please raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Sir, did you have an opportunity to speak with an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, that you're going to give up any rights that you may have had to have a trial in the future?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of this, did you still want to move forward?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I want to take your attention back to the date of November the 23rd of 2019. Were you driving a Dodge vehicle in the area of West McNichols and Warrington Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it have improper plates on it at the time?
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied, Attorney Triplett?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Is there a stipulation for probable cause for the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated, Your Honor.
So at this time, the court is going to enter a plea to count 2 improper plates, 1 ticket ending in 7724. Dismiss count 1 of that ticket and dismiss count ticket number P1043571 in its entirety. Sir, I'm going to assess a fine today in the amount of $200. How long will that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
30.
Okay, so I'm gonna have it due no later than May 13th, 2022. Also, Mr. Wozniak, you owe a, you have a ticket still sitting out here for speeding from 2015. And so we took the late fees off, but you need to pay that ticket, okay?
Okay.
All right, you don't have to pay it at the same time you pay this one, but just know that it's gonna sit out there until you pay it.
Okay, now I have a question. I came down there and paid $1,000 bond. Could this go towards this?
Absolutely. So you want to apply your bond for it?
Yes, I want to take it out my bond.
Okay, I'm gonna have the bond applied to this. And then if you do come down here, you can handle the other tickets as well, sir. And they can take care of everything. And then you probably should get some money back.
Okay. And so what do I have to do, ma'am?
So I will come down here, not today, tomorrow or the next day. We're closed on Friday, but I will come down here, go to the bond window and let them know that you've handled your matters, but you want your bond money to go towards paying off your costs and fines so that you can get the remainder money back.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay? All right.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. You have a good day, okay?
You have a blessing.
I will. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too.
All right. Mr. Yanin?
Hello.
Hello, and I'm asking you to start your video. You were doing a lot of moving earlier. Okay. All right. Now I'm gonna explain this one, Attorney Triplett, because you probably don't have all of what's going on this one. So Just put your name on the record when I call the case.
Okay.
This is a matter of the people versus uh, Jeremy Yonan. This is ticket number or case number 134604081. This is one count of failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplet P number 69160 on behalf of Mr. Yonan. Mr. Yonan, state your name for the record.
Jeremy Yonan.
All right, so we did a little investigation. Mr. Yonan pled guilty back on July the 2nd of 2015 to this case. I don't know why it's on the docket for what it is today, but he's arraignment on the bench warrant. He never returned to take care of anything. So he had a fine out there. He was supposed to return with his driver's license and pay all the costs and fees. We looked up, his license is still suspended at this time. And he now has not paid any costs and fees. So I don't know what he's gonna have to pay all of them. Yes, Mr. Young.
Okay, I forgot all about it, but now that you say it, I remember what it was. I went to prison during that time.
Okay.
And I was hoping I could have got my time, got my time ran with my prison time back then on the ticket, on the misdemeanor ticket, try to get it all cleared out. You get what I'm trying to say?
I do understand what you're trying to say. And
But that was years ago. I totally forgot. And then, life just been going on.
We never forget, sir. We never forget.
And I never had a license, so they wasn't suspended.
Well,
This about to be my first time getting my license. That's why I'm trying to get my life together.
okay. Well, see, when you had that time when you were away, sir, you're supposed to write the court and ask these things so that we can get things taken care of.
Yeah, once I got out, life just was taken.
Judge, I'm aware of what the court has indicated as far as Mr. Yonan not working. I just want to add a couple things. He did tell me he has a catering job, I think next week that is coming up. Recently, and I say recent within the last year, he has 2 kids, and the court may be aware of this already, 10 and 9, but he lost their mom last year. He's 35 years old and just trying to manage life.
Well, I'm getting it together now.
You got it. I like that.
I'm getting it together. Yes.
Life can throw you a curveball, right?
Yeah, it can.
And all of a sudden, all the things that you were supposed to take care of and all the things that were supposed to happen just come at you at one time, right? And so,
Judge, can he bring proof of incarceration that time, or was that supposed to be? Mm-hmm.
How would I get that?
Yeah.
I was about to say, turn triple, I got it. Mr.
Okay.
How long were you away? Do you remember?
I went in and out. It was less than a year, but I went in 15, got out in the middle of 16 or something. I can't remember. It was a short time. I erased it on my mind.
Give me 1 second, okay? All right, this is what I can do for you, okay? The other judge wanted you to pay the warrant fee and the reinstatement fee, okay? That comes together to be $95. Do you think you can come up with $95 if I give you some time?
Can I do what the other guy just did? Take the money out the $100 I gave y'all for the court date?
You gave us $100 for this bond today, for this hearing?
No, I gave it to y'all to get the court date. You know how you go to the window and they said
Okay.
they're taking $10 out.
Yep.
So what I'm gonna owe y'all $5.
Yep, that's right, we can take it out of that. Does that work for you? That's the best I can do, because they still wanted you to pay
No,
something.
I'm thankful.
Okay, that's what I'm gonna do, and then we're gonna
So
close it out.
is the $5? Do I got to come down there for the $5 or I just go online?
Yes, unless you want them to mail it to you, you can
No,
come down
I don't
here.
want. No. You hearing me wrong? I'm sorry.
Oh, he's gonna owe $5. Oh, I see what yeah, we do need your $5. Can you come
Yeah,
down
it's
here
not.
and pay
It's
the
not.
$5?
Yeah, I know I start work next week, but it's not that bad.
Okay, listen, you can either go online and pay it. You don't have to come all the way down here and pay it though. And I'll give you 30 days to pay that $5. Does that work?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How about that? That's the best I can do for you.
No,
today. I'm
I
sorry.
told you I'm thankful. I'm very
Okay.
thankful. So
Okay, all right.
I got to get I just go to 36 now, or do I got to take some papers
Yes,
down there?
just come down to 36.
I mean,
36.
no, I didn't mean to say 36. I meant to say the place where the license at.
Oh, so what you're gonna do after you pay that last $5, it'll automatically send clearance to the Secretary of State's office. So make an appointment with the Secretary of State's office that you can apply to have your license. But make sure you know all the stuff that you need to get your license, like the driver's pass and all of that. 'Cause you're gonna have to take all those things.
Right.
Make
But
sure.
I just go down there and tell them I'm good with y'all, and thank
Yep.
you. a lot.
You're so welcome. Good luck to you, okay?
Yep. Thank everybody too.
Oh, no problem. That's what we like to do, okay?
I can leave now. I don't need anything.
Yes, you can leave now.
All right. Bye, attorney lady.
All right, Ms. Walton.
Yes.
Okay. You activate your camera.
My hair wires.
I apologize. I was sitting with my mom. I'm back alone, but I can't. My phone, I dropped it last night and my camera's cracked and my camera isn't working on any of my apps in my phone. So I got to get it fixed today.
That's okay. I'm trying to figure it out. Part of the issue is that you have 5 state tickets. So I had a state prosecutor on here trying to get you an offer as well.
Judge, we're gonna set it for a bench trial.
You want to set it for a bench trial?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Mhm.
Fantastic. I'll call it then. Now calling the matter of the people versus Mary Walton. This is ticket number 710856. Count 1, no operator's license in possession. Ticket number P11805525. 1 count 11 to 15 miles over posted speed. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Ticket number P11807752. 1 count failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Ticket number X3718551. Count 1, no operator's license on person. Count 2, speed construction zone, 6 to 10 miles over. Ticket number SS 3895283. Count 1, accident failed to stop within a sure clear distance ahead. Count 2, no proof of insurance. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Your Honor, Regina Triplett on behalf of Miss Mary Walton. Miss Walton, unmute yourself and please state your name for the record.
Mary Walton.
It is my understanding you would like to have a bench trial in these matters.
Oh, I'm
Is that
sorry,
correct, ma'am?
Judge, yes.
Okay. Is that right, Ms. Walton?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can put your hand down. Ms. Walton, did you have an opportunity to talk to an attorney in private today about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
And she's informing me you want to have a bench trial. That's the trial for myself as the trier and finder of fact. Is that how you want to move forward, ma'am?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna schedule it for September the 9th, 2022 at 9 a.m. I'm gonna set your bond at $0 personal on all of these matters. It is going to be via Zoom. So the same way you zoomed in today, zoom back in on that date. Hopefully you will have your camera fixed so that we can be able to see you for the trial if it proceeds, okay?
Okay, I will.
All right, if there's nothing further, that does conclude this hearing. You have a good day, Ms. Walton.
Thank you. You too.
You're welcome. Thank you.
I'm sorry, I started